Hi, I'm Jeremy,
And I'm Zach.
and we're going to be showing you how to do translations
The reflections.
and rotations around a point. So, when you do translations, it'll usually tell you what you have to do. So, in this case, it is 2 up and 3 right. So, I prefer to do it point by point because I find it a lot easier than moving the shape by a whole. So, 1, 2 up, and 1, 2, 3 right. So this is your new point. And that's your point A, but you put a little apostrophe so they know that's the reflected image or the figure. So for B, you move 1, 2 up, and then 1, 2, 3 right. You make your B point. With the little apostrophe. And it's your next B point. With the C point, you go 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, and that is your new C point. And so you put the little C with the apostrophe. And for D, 1, 2 up, and 1, 2, 3. So that's your new G point. And when you connect it all together, you have a translated image. Hi, this is slide 2, reflections.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a reflection. So as you can see, this red line is the line of symmetry. So
The mirror line, in other words.
Yeah. So this triangle, this could be point A, point B, and point C. So how I reflect images is I count how many spaces the dot is away from the line of symmetry. So this is let's say this is the line of symmetry is right here. So I count 1, 2. So the dot A is 2 diagonal dots away from the line of symmetry. So that it should be 1, 2 over here. So that means point A should be here.
Don't forget the apostrophe.
And the apostrophe. So for point B, it is 1 diagonal dot from the line of symmetry. So that it should be 1 over this way. Right here. And this should be point B with the apostrophe. And we have point C, which is 1, 2 points away from the line of symmetry. So I would do 1, 2. And that would mean dot C would be right here with C apostrophe. So that would mean the shape would be like this, the final image of the reflection.
Hi, this is slide number 3, and here we can see our instructions in the top right corner of the paper. And so 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees and clockwise. And so clockwise, it would be this way. And so you can expect counterclockwise to be the opposite way that way. So with rotations, what I find to be easiest to do, rotate the paper a little bit, but you draw this little cross to the rotation point, and you take how many, and you just have to count now. So 1 away from the rotation point and 1 up. So C would be 1 there and 1 here. So our new C prime would be right here. Oh, sorry for the background noise. So that's what the C would be. C prime, we call it. And here, oh, now we need to count D. So 1, 2, and 1, 2 up. So 1, 2 up, and 1, 2 to the side. So this is our D prime point. And for B, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 up and 1 to the side. So 1, 2. So you would go 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our new B point, sorry. So B prime. And then we count A, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up and 1, 2 to the side. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here is our new A point. And there we can see it makes the shape. It is. I'm sorry for the interruptions during this video, but you're gonna have to look through them because it's quite noisy here. So we're trying to make it as little noise as possible. So there we have it rotated 90 degrees, the shape. So what if we had it rotated? What if we had it rotated differently? What if we had it rotated 180 degrees? So we would put 180 degrees would be in this little area. So we take and we count 1, 2. So instead we go the opposite direction and go 1 down, and that is the C point. So it is C prime prime. And now here 1, 2, 2 to the side and 2 up. So then 1, 2. So and then 1, 2. So that right there. Sorry. The new D point is right. The D point would be right about here. And that's where the D point would be. Sorry for that little confusion there. But so we would take out 2 like this. We would put 2 down and then 2 to the side. And that's the new D point. So D prime prime. And for the last point, we count to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 up and 1 to the side. Let me just erase that. And so the new B point would be right there. Sorry, right there. Sorry for that. And this right here is our new B point, right here. And that right here is B prime prime. And for the last point, which is the A point, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up and 2 to the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 right. And that is A prime prime. So when you connect the shape, it is rotated to be 180 degrees. Okay, and now we have the rotation for 270 degrees clockwise. Keep in mind this is all clockwise. And so turn it, and it would be in this little area right here where I'm marking. And so we know C is 1 left and 1 up. So C, this new C point would be right there. So that would be C prime prime. That would be C prime prime prime. And the next point is the D point. So you would count how many the D point is. 1, 2, 3. So 2 to the side, and then 2 up. So it would be 2 down, and 2 there. So that's the new D prime prime prime. Right there. And now the next point is the B point, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 1 to the side. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. No, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 that way.
And 1 to the side.
And it would be right. The B point would be right there.
B prime prime prime.
B triple prime. And the last point is 4 up and 2 to the left. So the last point would be right there under the B triple prime point. And that is a triple prime, and then when you connect the shape, it is rotated. And if you were to rotate it 360 degrees, it would be back to this shape. That is it. And excuse me, but that's not meant to be a triangle here.